Hi Chicsters! Hope you guys had an amazing week. Today's video is going to be a haul video. So I asked you guys on Instagram what haul you guys wanted to see next, and it was a tie between Forever 21 and Loft, right? And in all honesty, actually, Forever 21 won, but somebody sent me a DM that made a lot of sense. They're like, we see Forever 21 hauls everywhere. Do a Loft haul. So today's video is going to be a Loft haul. Some of you may already know that Loft now carries Plus. Again, all details on Loft Plus will be in the description bar below. So every item I mention here, you can click the link to shop, all the sizing information, my sizing information, all that good stuff. Okay, so the first item I want to show you is definitely from their new in section, and it is this like shirt dress. It's giving me vacation, Havana, Hawaiian vibes. I love shirt dresses. You guys know I talk about them all of the time here on YouTube. I've talked about them here on YouTube. I've talked about them on my blog, just because you can wear them open, closed. If they're short enough, you can tuck them in. So there's just a lot of stuff to love when it comes to shirt dresses. So this one has buttons going down the center. It also has a belt to cinch in your waist. It has, like, I would call these like fullish sleeves, so they kind of bubble a little bit. Has a cuff here around there, and yeah, it's more of like a midi-ish length shirt dress. So you can pair this with all your neutral, like a brown leather sandal, a cognac. There's hints of purple, so you could even do like some lavender earrings. So it kind of ties in some of the colors, or some of the top colors for spring and summer. The next item I actually bought to wear as kind of like a coordinated set, and it is a pair of shoes. Okay, it should be buttoned. It is a pair of shorts. These are like Bermuda style shorts. I got this in a size 18, and like I said, it fits true to size. So whatever size you wear at ASOS is probably, their sizing is very similar to that. At least in the plus section. I haven't bought any bottoms from the non-plus section. Again, I bought this to pair with another shirt that you're gonna see. I was trying to do like the monochrome look, and this fits me pretty well. So if you were thinking about getting shorts from them, I recommend their shorts. Now, I'm thinking of actually doing a video on finding the right pair of shorts, so let me know in the description bar down below if you want me to do a video on tips for shorts and so on and so forth, especially for my girls who are like more pear shaped and carry a lot more weight like around their bottom half. So the next item is this blouse. Like I said, I bought those shorts to coordinate with this blouse, which is more of like a peachy salmon color. It has, you know, blossom full sleeves. It's made out of like a lightweight woven fabric. I got this in a 16. I probably could have even gotten this in a 14. So, and it fits me really well as well. The next item I got from my first order, and it is this shift dress. It has a gray background, and then it has these yellow florals. It is more of like a swing dress. It features long sleeves with some details like this pearl detail right here around the cuff. It also features some gathering details around the back. It's definitely longer than fingertip length on me, and I'm 5'7". The next item is a pair of jeans. Again, on the first order, I got all my bottom sizes wrong. So this was my second attempt at getting bottoms, and I got a size 18, and they fit me pretty true to size. Now, when I first put this on, it was slightly snug, but after wearing it for like 2-3 hours, it sort of conform to my shape. So I picked up this lavender pair of pants. Now you guys know that purple is Pantone's color of the year. There's like an official term for the color, but anyways, so purple lavender is really having a moment. And again, I picked this up for a monochrome look, which you will see the coordinating top to this. And again, what I really liked about this is normally when you go for these lighter pairs of jeans, they tend to show off like your bumps and lumps and dimples, and this didn't completely eliminate that, but it definitely minimized that. Like I didn't see as much of my lumps and bumps around the, you know, inner thigh with this. So I really appreciate them for this. Again, it's a 5-pocket style jean. So it has front pockets, back pockets, and then it has this cool side slit detail here and some fraying around the edges. Last but not least item from the haul is this lavender sweater. I know we're kind of going into summer-ish, so who wants to think about sweaters? But this is kind of like what I call like a sailor sweater. You know, that sweater that you wear like towards the evenings when it starts to cool off. It's not overtly heavy. I got this in an extra large from the non-plus section, and it fit me comfortably. So I'd say if you're around my size, a 16, 18, I'm more of like a 16 on top, but let's just say a 16, 18, you probably can get away with getting their tops in an extra large. It also has this cool sort of like detailing around the sleeve, like crossed stitching, not stitching, but crocheting on the sleeve. So it's not just your basic sweater. And then it features a wider neck. So if you're like smaller, I guess, if your shoulders are smaller, you might be able to wear this off the shoulder. But yeah, guys, that is it for this haul. Let me know which items you love from this haul. Let me know if you're gonna try Loft Plus. Again, I believe they're still having their friends and family sale right now. So if you're interested in that, if you wanna get in on that, there will be links to everything that I tried on down below. Overall thought, the one area that I feel like they really excel at is their workwear. So I didn't show you any of the work pants that I ordered because I returned all of them because the sizing was wrong for me. But I could see the quality in these pieces. I could see that they would last for a very long time. So again, if you're looking for workwear because of how frequent you wear it, it makes sense to spend a little bit more on it. Now, if it's a club outfit, you know, you go clubbing once, maybe a week, maybe once a month, maybe once every 6 months, maybe once a year like me. You know, you can spend like $5, 10, 15, 20 at Boohoo for pieces for things like that. But if it's something that you're gonna wear day in and day out, I definitely think it's worth spending the money. And now that they're doing their 40% off sale, you'll never get a better bargain. Don't worry, I know. I am not going anywhere. Okay, let's talk about Loft Plus and what other hauls you guys want to see me do next. If you like this video, share it with a friend. It really makes my day. And yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, stay blessed. Like for $50-something. So for the fact that they have this for $20-something is a yes. Speaking of